Hello everyone, welcome back. So I'm now on the second story. This is number 2 of the 3-part series. We've just done the second story. I've showed you what we're going to try and create. It's currently 2 one-bed flats. We're looking to do that into 3 nice-sized studios. As I said before, try and increase the density. All I've done is walk down the staircase. I'm currently on the second staircase. Have a quick look there so you know exactly where I am. So I'll walk you around. We've currently got 5 flats in here on this story. We're looking to do a little bit of a jiggery-pokery, but also create 1 extra unit. So come on through, I'll show you exactly where, exactly what we're going to achieve. So come on through. This is flat here. So what you'll see in this one, so originally we had 2 on the first floor, we've got 5 here. We're looking to create the 6th one. The 6th one we're creating is behind you. I will show you shortly that. So this was a studio flat. So bedroom, living room, all in one, also a kitchen. So the kitchen was over here by myself. There's a boiler in there. They are all self-contained units. They do all pay their own bills. So this is staying exactly how it is. We're just going to increase the quality, better kitchen, better bathrooms, carpet, painting, the usual stuff that we normally do. It's that high-end standard that we believe people should be living in. People should have a choice whether they live in quality or squalor. And I believe no one should be living in squalor, everyone should have a high-quality choice. So that's what we are doing. We'll come on through, and this is where we're trying to create that extra studio. Behind is a laundry room. I'll show you exactly how. So this is a large ensuite. So this bit of it in-cut here, what we're going to do is pull this on a stud wall. We're going to pull this forward to roughly here. That will allow more usable space in the laundry area. The laundry area will then become a studio. This will be the ensuite for that studio. Shower, sink and toilet will fit in this space. So this is one of the flats. I'll take you through to where we're looking to gain that extra studio. So this here was the laundry room. It was all not used, it was all beds, all cupboards, all fridge. It was never used anyway. And this section is the bit that I was saying to you, we're going to pull this all the way forward. And this will allow a studio flat. Taking down all these stud walls, taking out the toilets, taking out the sinks. It's going to be one big open space for a studio. So this is where we're looking to create that extra space. Have a look around, come on in. So yeah, it's pretty simple to be honest with you. What we're doing is using usable space that wasn't being used previously. This will give 19.5 to 20 square meter studio flat, increasing the density. So this is where we gain the extra one. I'll show you the other one and a little alteration we're going to be doing. So I'm going to walk you through this way. Don't forget, subscribe below if you haven't already. Come on in, I'll show you more. So when I said about trying to increase the quality of living, this room is staying as it is, but increasing the quality. As you come in, you'll see that's where the kitchen was. This was a living room area, but a separate bedroom and ensuite. Let me just show you this bedroom. It's basically a cupboard, so come on in. So come in here. This was, I won't say a brothel, but yeah, let's call it a brothel. So come on in. This was a bedroom. When I came in here, there was a single bed, literally here. As you can see, I aren't that big, but that is not a lot of room. It's allowed enough a single bed and a set of drawers here. So you can, and what I found was X-rated toys on this bed. I found phone books, I found sex paraphernalia on this bed, over there and in the drawers. So this was used possibly as a service combination with charge per hour. Comical, but I think it was. So this isn't big enough. I wouldn't live here myself in this current condition. But what we're going to be doing, we're turning around. We're going to be taking this wall out. It's going to create a bigger open plan studio flat. It's not a one bed, it's not big enough for a one bed. I don't even know why it was a one bed, but we're going to create a big open space, okay? But all we're doing is making better what we already have, okay? Come on through. So what I've currently shown you is one already, one we're going to create. We're going to enhance another one. So this one here, exactly the same again, we're going to enhance the quality. That flat door there is getting boarded or bricked up. We're going to put a new flat door here, which you can see that shortly, but it allows people to use a different entrance so they aren't walking directly into their bedroom. So this is exactly what it was before. You used to walk in behind you, this was someone's bedroom. How often do you walk into a door in a one bed flat into your bedroom? It's just not quality in my eyes. So bedroom originally, bathroom off the bedroom, then you used to walk through to your lounge. But now, we're going to enhance it, still the same shape, still the same quality as in the shape and size. We're going to knock the wall in here, separate door there, that'll be the bedroom and bathroom. So exactly the same layout. Now, you walk in to a kitchen lounge. This space is a kitchen lounge. You go through behind you, and that's a bedroom and bathroom out behind you. Yeah. So it creates a better quality of living. So that we've got to show you two more, and then we'll go to part 3. Sorry, I lost a finger. As I said, that's the flat door. What we're going to do is create this flat behind me, stud wall. We're going to put the flat door there, exactly the same, opposite. Because it's originally there, we're going to put it there. So come on in, let's see what we've got. Yeah, so exactly the same. We're going to move the door, slowly pan around here. The door's going to come in here. It's going to be a studio flat. We're going to take out this wall, because at the moment, this used to have some little barn doors, about that big, enough to squeeze through like it. I'll tell you, a bit like country and western. So you can see that's not very big. This is coming out, big open plan studio flat. We're always looking to enhance what we already have. People are living in a really poor quality here. So last but not least, is that the same? Doorway, galley kitchen is original, boiler room original. This was the lounge area, this was the lounge, and that was the bedroom. So, it is what it is, we're just going to make it better. Like I say, this one's not bad to be fair, like the other one. It seems to have a bit of an upgrade, been plastered, been painted, some little chrome light fittings, but we're going to make it that next level stuff. The stuff that we believe people deserve, and how they should have a choice to live. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe as I said before. Also please do comment. I answer every single question within a couple of days. Thank you for watching. I will do part 3 very shortly. Subscribe and I'll speak to you soon.